Hey guys, this is your girl, Ashira Nelson, also known as Savvy Girl Money from SavvyGirlMoney.com. If you have not done so, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and go check me out on Instagram at SavvyGirlMoney, honey. Today I want to talk to you all about my December goals. I love goal setting. I like to break it down by month, have goals for the year. I don't like to overdo it. So some months there's 1, some months there's 5. I highly recommend not overwhelming yourself with goals, having this long list, because why drive yourself crazy? Just give yourself a couple so that you're always working towards something. Today, let's discuss my December goals. So my first goal that I want to do is to stay within my Christmas budget. I started a Christmas sync fund early in the year, which was very important to me, which I'm going to do a video soon about sinking funds and why I love them, what they are, what current sinking funds I have. So I'll give you guys that video later this month. But I created a $1,000 sync fund for myself to help me save each month for Christmas. I don't like to stress myself out with coming up with large sums of money in one month or at one point in time. So I break it up into monthly manageable payments during the year. So I just want to stay in budget. I don't want to go crazy. I gave myself a Christmas list and I plan to be okay as long as I stick to my budget. Next up, my goal is to stay within budget for my family vacation. So me, Skylar, and Devin will be taking a trip later this month to celebrate my 30th birthday. We're gonna go to Florida again. That is like one of our happy places. And I got to pick the trip, yay. Well, obviously since it's my birthday. So I picked Florida again, which is gonna be awesome. I just love the sun on my skin and I just get to relax for about 6 days. So I am looking forward to it before my tax season start in a couple months. So I'm gonna really live it up that week and I'm gonna do it within a budget. You can have fun, but you wanna stick to your budget. So that's my goal. Next, I wanna make sure I listen to 2 audiobooks this month. With traveling, I'm gonna take some time off work. I want to make sure I fit in listening to audiobooks. There's no reason why I can't be on an airplane listening to them. Hopefully my daughter allows me, but I'm going to really strive to get 2 in. Topics that I really want to learn more about is investing, and I want to learn more about organizing. I have a pretty organized life, but I know that it could be better. So I want to read an audiobook to give me some tips going into the new year. My last and final goal for this month is to host a budget-friendly Christmas dinner with my family. It's going to be about 30 to 35 of us, and I just want to make sure whatever budget I set, which I plan to do that later today, I really stick to that budget. I normally have to budget for like some dinner items, plasticware, little decorations, because I tend to not go crazy when it comes to decorations for Christmas. But I want to make sure everyone's good and comfortable, and still stay true to my budget. So those are my 4 December goals. What are some goals that you have this month? Leave it down below, or go let me know on Instagram. If you're not doing so, please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys again next week.